Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show to you guys my Walgreens haul. And in this haul, I did not use any rewards or points because I only have 3,570 points available in my Walgreens app. So this is the points. And the last time I went to Walgreens is May 10 of 2020. So I'm not able to shop in Walgreens last week because I'm not feeling well. And in this deal also, I use my booster points that I received last week. And it will expire on May 31st. So I got the booster up, make 2 purchases and spend 10 and get 5,000 points. So I applied in this deal and the cashier asked me if I want to use it in the first transaction or second transaction. And I decided to use it in my first transaction. I did 2 transactions so that I can avail those points. So first I got the Chris mouthwash. Sorry for my voice. So I got the clean mint. So this one is attached to $7 digital coupon. And it's also, when you buy 2 or more, you will get 4,000 points. So I grabbed 3 for $11.97. Then I got also the gummy bear, the nice slices gummy bear for 98 cents. So the totals are $12.98 including the 6% tax. And then I apply the 5,000 points when you spend 10. So the cashier is automatically deduct it. So my subtotal is $7.98. And then I use my $7 digital coupon that attached to Chris mouthwash. So my out of pocket is 98 cents. And then I got 4,000 points back. So this deal is completely free because I only paid for the gummy bear. So this is the receipt. So the Chris mouthwash is $3.99. So the 3 are $11.97. And the 98 cents is the gummy bear. And then after availing the $7 digital coupon and the $5 booster, I only paid 98 cents. And I got back 7,690 points. So I get the 4,000 points in this deal. So this is my second transaction, and in this deal, they need to put manually also my digital coupon because there's a problem in the system. Even I barcode the items first before I grab it, and the coupons are attached. During the time that I pay this item, it's not showing in the system, so they put it manually, and also the point does not show up. So I need to call the customer service and follow up for the points that I supposed to get in this item. So I grabbed the Chris toothpaste. So it's $2.99 each. So the 2 are $5.98. And then I used the $4 digital coupon that attached to the Chris Scope toothpaste. So I pay $1.98. Money maker will be $2.02. And this one is 5.4 ounce. And then I got also the Oral-B toothbrush. So this is soft. They're both soft. There are only 3 Oral-B toothbrush left in the aisle. So the Oral-B toothbrush is $2.99 and the 2 are $5.98, and I used the $3 digital coupon. So I paid $2.98, and in that deal, when you buy 2, you will get $2 reward, and it did not show also in the receipt. So I need to add that tomorrow once I call the customer service. So if I get the $2 reward, my out-of-pocket for that will be 98 cents. So the total amount is for the Chris toothpaste is $1.98. And for the Oral-B toothbrush is $2.98. So the total amount are $4.96. And then I got 4,000 points in my first transaction. And my total spend for Chris and Oral-B items are 96 cents. And in the note, I need to call the customer service for the points or reward in the second transaction. I supposed to get 6,000 points. And this is the receipt for that. So they just put it together, the $4 and $3 digital coupon, because they did it manually. So they combine it. So my subtotal is $4.96, and they did not put a tax on that. So my total is $4.96. I just paid cash for that. That's why I have change of $15.04. And the closing balance is $7,800. So it's a very nice deal. I only spent 96 cents for the Chris deal. So it's a very big win for me. And in the end of the video, I will clip also some of the printable coupon that's still available in coupon.com and colgate.com. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope everyone are safe and God bless us all.